It's snowing.
What in the world? Oh my god.
Look.
No.
It's snowing. Wear your jacket. We can go a little bit outside. In Texas, we saw snow. Tomorrow morning, it will be all white. Because the storm will go tomorrow morning till that time. In the night time, it will be more snow. See, the roof already started to be white.
Because of the snow.
Yeah,
Not wearing our gloves.
yeah. Go a little bit. Oh,
Can I touch it?
yeah, you can touch it.
Is it wet?
No, snow, how it will be wet, but it will be ice snow after that. Oh, Dada isn't waiting.
We should work on that, okay?
It's snowing!
Please, let's go. I'm on another meeting. Go. Sorry. I got
It's so
not
nice.
snowing.
It's already become white, see? The roof.
Yeah, with the ground hasn't.
There's no-
And look at the car.
See, our roof is also white now.
Oh my god.
The car is also white. Everything has turned. See?
Mama, could you? The cars!
Yeah.
I want to touch these.
Oh, I think Vidya auntie is here somewhere. Then she got tired. Don't stand here for long because we don't have it anything wearing. Your legs are freezing. It's all. Oh my goodness, Anvis, look at the roof.
Look at the.
Okay, let's go now. Let's go.
Wait, Mama.
Yeah.
Look, some frost is right.
Dishi, can you sing a snow for snowy day?
I don't know what song.
Try to go. If you try only, you can sing it. Dada, do you like this now?
No.
No? Are you sure? But you are at home, Dada.
And you don't have to clean the car.
You don't have to clean the car, yes. Do you like it, Dada? No?
Yep.
You like it?
No.
You said yeah?
Yep, means completely yes.
Yes. Then why are you watching snow then?
Yeah.
Why are you watching?
Because visually I like it.
Visually you like it means you like the snow. No, Dada?
No.
Yes. You just don't want to clean the car.
But the car's not
Yeah, the car is inside the garage. My plants. It's a snowy day.
Can I go outside?
Yes.
No.
Wow, this is white.
बाहर बस लो.
We want little bit here. Came here.
At least one.
Yeah, we are
Can
standing
I
over here.
touch the snow, Mama?
Yes, you can.
I'm gonna touch the snow and not gonna make the snow down.
Hello.
Hello?
Why are you saying like that? Show me your snow. Tishi.
Snow white.
Oh, can I touch it?
Touch it.
This is ice. now.
Look at the door back. Look at the plants, Mama.
Today, one day. There.
That might be hard for them to.
Okay, let's have. Okay, I'm sitting over here. Dada Ramora.
देखो किन खाओ तो पकड़े.
It's okay, Dada. She's our baby.
कॅमेरा खाली
No,
होतो
this is-
काल कौचवल ना
Dishi is saying I'm a naughty baby. No, Dishi? Chalo khan.
It's snowing. It's snowing. Circles of snow.
It's
Look,
snowing.
Poppy. Can I touch the snow?
Yeah, now you
Snowman?
have carrot also.
Okay. Baba, I got
Like this, do it.
like that.
Make more.
Hey, I need them too.
No, gutti kara. Beat an egg. One ball, then make 3 balls.
I got.
Yes, like that.
Let's make Ola. Mama, let's make Ola.
Yeah, तू दोनों तो बॉल गोला करके दिया सेମିତି दियंतनी एमटी करे तापर एमटी रखे so that I can bring because we are at home, right? We can make a carrot and bring it and do it.
I got one, barely.
Are you eating that? Anvi, Dishi, look what Anvi is doing. Come on.
Then I'll go like this.
Yeah, come like this. Come, let's go. See, my shoes are also snow.
And I'm also getting snow.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Okay. Okay.
Dishi, no, and we don't throw it here. Just Dishi. Come on. Oh, how did you feel, girls?
Good.
You enjoyed?
I got wet. I'd be through.
You will remember these days, right?
Maybe
Maybe. What does that mean?
that means you. Snow.
Come on. What's
What kind of fence is that? See, Mama, look how tall is the snow.
Yeah.
Can I go outside and see?
It's not dire. It's all because of the winter.
Yeah, especially this one, I think. Why is it wet here?
I don't know. Please clean it up, okay?
Okay. Well, this one isn't dead yet.
No, I guess they all got the cold frostbite. That's why, let's see.
This one especially got a frostbite.
Yeah, that one especially got it.
Which one especially?
The other one, which one was growing so good?
I like the small one.
Yeah, and see, it's so cold and it's so white and white and white.
I know, and
Still, the snow is coming.
I know, it's really tall.
Yeah.
आ जाती है और 2 किलो टमाटर खरीद कर ले आती है। हाँ, टमाटर महंगे थोड़े जरूर थे, लेकिन सुचिता आप टमाटर के सस्ते होने का और
What? Oh, you use and throw. I can't garam kar pariye na. That's fine.
Why?
Sambar ko through garam kar. Okay, I can wash it. How is it, Dada? How is the dosa?
मस्त
Aloo masala, good.
बढिया
Okay. You like it, Dishi and we?
Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy.
It's spicy.
That's why I gave it yogurt. And you love spicy.
I don't want, I don't like spicy, but I have to eat spicy.
Okay.
I could eat spicy, but I don't
It's still now. It's actually ice. Ice. It's looking so beautiful in the evening.
There we go. What's the packets are?
The ice are melting because of this rain. Little bit. Or it's raining. Yeah, it's raining.
And you're doing too, but because you're disturbing.
Because mommy's naughty.
No, she's talking about you, not about me.
And plus
No, ice nahi tha. Basse papa. Ye chalchi na.
That one is ice, no?
Pura.
This one, the snow.
Eta ta habo na.
The snow's turned into ice. It's ice, Dada?
Ha, era pura.
Ice? But you can hold it.
Who did it?
Oh, no, Dada. Why are you doing that?
it's wet.
Yeah. Naughty Dada. This is...
Let me out words.
Pora dale.
Hey, where did you put our shoes?
Just walk like this.
Can I wear yours?
ये भाई कितने पानी देखो.
Ah,
Where
where is the light?
ए तो ठंडा लगुगा.
ठंडा ते
ए
लगा
कबाटा बंद करो.
Okay, Dada.
ठंडा लगुनी पर वर्षा अच्छी मतलब. It's a snow
पूरा वर्षा.
wonderland.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back to our channel. We can't go anywhere because of this snowstorm, but we've been playing with the snow. It's so fun. Today we're gonna play in the backyard, and I'm gonna make a big snowman. Yeah, it's gonna be tall. Yeah,
Taller like you.
maybe taller than us.
Oh. Okay, Dada. Are you doing it? It's like we are in a...
I roll it.
Yeah, you have to bring it, okay?
Whoa, no. This one, wait. Wait, wait.
Yeah, you can make a 3 shape.
Mom, I'm doing that. There we go.
You can make more one, big one.
I'm gonna make a big one and
You can bring more one, more. And this one we can put more. Wait, I'm bringing several. Anvi is doing a really good one.
How about mine?
You are also doing a big roll.
Yeah, do
We
it
need to
even
give it
grow.
to a big. You make a big roll and give it to Anvi. So we will put one more there.
I'm gonna make the biggest one.
Okay.
The biggest. But then that one has to go in the bottom.
Yeah, it will go in the bottom.
Where's the color?
Dish Anvi, waiting for you.
It's changed color.
I don't care.
Okay. Wow, that's tall, Mama.
Yeah, now we can decorate it.
times because yeah, but look, I rolled a snowball there. The things keep falling apart. Yeah, look at his eyes. He's made of snow. And this is his mouth. Wait, what about we name him Snowfall? No, Snowflake. No, Snowflake. Frosty the Snowman. Mama.
Frosty the Snowman?
No, Frosty the Snowman. Can't I go now?
Yeah, you can. No, we are
Yeah,
going
we played with snow. It was so much fun. And I built a chair and table. And we built a snowman. Yeah. And I was making a big snowball. And also I did a table and a desk.
Leave it that one. Leave the wire.
I also did a desk and the chair, but I couldn't connect it because the chair was too heavy to connect.
Connected. But you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
It was the first time snow in the backyard and it was full of snow, right?
Yeah.
And it was the first time we made our snowman. So you were happy?
Yes. How did you like it? I break the snowman. Look outside. Watch our other videos.
And stay connected with
On this family.
subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel. She sometimes asks.
Because she's our crazy girl.
I know. She I'm not crazy. You are crazy.
Okay, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.